Hello and welcome! Let's learn how to use a switch statement. So first we create a function. And then we create a variable that takes input from a user. And then we create the switch statement. And now we are going to create different statements where each statement have its own code connected to it, where which code will be run will be decided by which statement that matches the user's input. Then we create a function that can be run based on what input the user types. And at the bottom we call the first function. When we now run the script, then this function will run. The switch statement will be based on what the user types in. If the user types in 1, then this will be the output to the screen. If the user types in 2, then this will be the output to the screen. If the user types in 3, then this will be the output to the screen. If the user types in 4, then this will be the output to the screen. If the user types in caret, then this function will run. That means that this will be the output to the screen. If neither 1, 2, 3, 4 or caret is typed in by the user, then this will happen. That means that this will be the output to the screen. Just so that you know, you do not have to add a default when you use a switch. That only means that if we do not have a default and the user neither types in caret 4, 3, 2 or 1, then nothing inside the switch statement will happen. Now let's run the script. I am now going to type in 3 and we will see that this will be the output to the screen. Let's run the script again. This time I will type in caret and now this function will run and we will have this as the output to the screen. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you learned something useful and I'll see you on another video.